Good morning students. Today we will discuss about line spectrum of hydrogen. In previous class we have learned atomic spectrum in which absorption spectrum, emission spectrum discussed. So today we will going to discuss about line spectrum of hydrogen. So before entering into our topic, so what is the line spectrum? So line spectrum yesterday we have discussed emission spectrum. So whenever the sample is irradiating or on heating, what happened? This sample emit the radiation. Okay, so this radiation is analyzed by the spectroscope. What happened? Some specific wavelengths, which are some specific bright lines are exist on the dark screen. Okay, so this we are observed that. Okay, so this spectrum is called line emission spectrum. Simply we can say that line spectrum. In what happened here? Whenever the sample is irradiating with electricity or on heating, it emits some radiations. So these radiations is observed by the spectroscope. What happened? Some specific wavelengths, so which are bright lines are present on dark screen. So this is called line emission spectrum. So what will happen here? For example, we take an atom. Atom consists of electrons and nucleus. Okay. So atom having some energy levels. An energy level. We take only two energy levels, but number of energy levels are present in an atom. Okay. So here two energy levels are present. So the ground state energy level, lowest energy level is called ground state energy level. This is called ground state energy level, and the higher energy levels are called first excited state, second excited state, like this. Okay, this is a excited energy levels. It is a first excited energy level, second excited energy level, up to infinity. Okay, so here if we give the energy to an atom by electricity or passing electricity or heating, so what happened? These electrons, ground state electrons, are absorbed that energy and will undergo excited state. Okay, in excited state electrons are very unstable, so that's why these excited electron is come to the ground state after few seconds. So whenever these electron from the excited to ground state, so here some radiations are emitted. So this radiation is analyzed by the spectroscope. What happened? So a specific wavelengths or bright lines are present on dark screen. Okay, so this is possible. These lines are possible whenever electrons are transition. Transition means it is going to the ground state and electronic energy level to excited energy level, and it is come from excited energy level to ground state energy level. So this is called electronic transitions. Sometimes whenever the energy is absorbed to electron, it is going to the from ground state to excited state, and whenever that radiation is emitted by the electron, it is coming to the ground state from excited state. Okay, so the process, which process? Electron is undergoing, electron is going from ground state to excited state is called excitation, and the electron is coming from the excited state to ground state is called de-excitation. Okay, so when electron is going to the excited state from ground state is called excitation and the de-excitation. So both processes are occur whenever the electron is absorbing energy. So from this we can observe the line emission spectrum. Simply we can say that line spectrum. To produce the line spectrum, the sample is irradiating with electricity or on heating. Okay, so now we will discuss about the line spectrum of hydrogen. So to produce the line spectrum of hydrogen, what happened? The sample of hydrogen gas is heating, or whenever the electric discharge is passed through the hydrogen gas. Okay, for example, here we take a hydrogen gas. In this hydrogen gas is present. So whenever the electric discharge is passed through the hydrogen gas, what happened? Hydrogen molecules are dissociate into hydrogen atoms. Okay, so in this principle, what happened? Atoms, for example, here hydrogen atom is present. So whenever the heat or electricity is passed through the hydrogen, what happened? Hydrogen atom, what happened in these electrons? Different electrons in the different hydrogen atoms undergo excitation. So different energy levels and the different hydrogen atoms. So not all hydrogen atoms give the same, that means absorb the same energy. Not all hydrogen atoms absorb same energy. So depending upon the capacity, all different hydrogen atoms having different absorb different energies and undergo different energy levels. And we know that in excited state electrons are very unstable. So that's why here the excited electrons come to the different ground state energy levels. Okay, if we observe the electronic spectrum or line spectrum of hydrogen, what happened? Number of series are there in hydrogen spectrum. Number of series of lines are present. 1, 2, 3. So mainly 5, 4. So 5 lines of series of lines are present in hydrogen spectrum. So first one is Lyman series, and the second one is Balmer series, and the third one is Paschen series, and the fourth one is Brackett series, and the fifth one is Fund series. So these are series of lines are observed in the line spectrum of hydrogen, because here different hydrogen atoms observe the different energies and undergo different energy levels. And whenever come to the ground state energy level, different ground state energy levels, some electrons are like this. For example, here different energy levels. For example, here excited, some electrons are like this ground state. Some electrons is come from the third. For example, here we number n equal to 1, n equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Some electrons coming from the higher energy level to lower energy level. This means n equal to 3 to n is equal to 1. Some electrons are n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 1. Some electrons n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 1. So in which some absorbing radiations are emitted. Absorbing radiations are emitted. Okay. So whenever de-excitation process, in de-excitation process, electron emit radiations. So these radiations are absorbed by the spectroscope. What happened? Some lines are present. Series of lines are present in spectrum. Okay. So these series of lines which are named after their discoverers. Which first one is Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series and Fund series. Okay. Actually, hydrogen contain only one electron, but its atomic spectra consists of large number of lines which have been grouped into 5 series, which are Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series and Fund series. In 1885, Balmer showed that if spectral lines are expressed in terms of wave number, then the visible lines of the hydrogen spectrum obey this formula. So which formula is wave number equals 1,09,677 by 2 square minus n square, 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square per centimeter. So this is the formula is produced or derived by the Balmer. And here n equals 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay. So this formula is derived by the Balmer. And the series of lines described by this formula is called Balmer series. Okay. And after that, John Rydberg proposed an equation for finding all series of lines in the hydrogen spectrum. So it is also very important formula, that is a 1,09,677 by n1 square, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square per centimeter. Okay, so here n1 equals 1, 2, 3, so on, and the n2 equals n1 plus 1, n2 plus 2, so on. Here the value of 1,09,677 per centimeter is called Rydberg constant. So this value is called Rydberg constant. This value is called Rydberg constant. So this is Rydberg constant is very important. The values are given, 4 values are given, and find out the Rydberg constant value. Okay. So now do the problem here. For example, when an electron, these are the electronic energy levels. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when the electron is de-excitation, that means electrons is coming from the n is equal to 5th energy state to n is equal to 1st energy state. Okay. So now energy will be released. Now find out the frequency and wavelength of this emitted radiation. Whenever here n is equal to 5, n is equal to 1. And in which region of the electromagnetic spectrum will this radiation lie? Okay, and that this radiation is lie in which region of the electromagnetic spectrum, and this radiation is lie in which the region of the electromagnetic spectrum. So to find out, so we know that formula, Rydberg constant formula, and we know that n1 as well as n2 values. n1 is 1 and the n2 is 5. Thank you.